Hello everyone! Today I will tell you how to connect Google fonts and icons to your project. Styling elements and text it's very important, but when developing websites and applications, you often have to use fonts that are paid or have to look for free options. One of them is Google Fonts. Well, let's get started. First, we need to go to the Google Fonts website. Of course, I will leave the link in the description under the video. Then we need to select our fonts or several fonts what you interest. For example, I choose the fonts Roboto and just you need to choose the scene of this font. For example, we select regular, bold, for example, italic, and bold black. After that, you just need open this view select families and you see your fonts here. You need to copy piece of this code. Just press this and copy and insert it in your markup in VS Code. It will be like there. After that, you need to go to styles and copy these CSS rules for this family. For example, I copy this and go to markup. I create some tag. For example, it will be tag P with some text. For example, like this. You see the text here. In the style file, I just uh, have this element some style. For example, I add margin and I add font size for this text, for example, like this. And after that, I just passed here this code. And we see the result that the fonts are changed. If I return this like this, and now it's look like this. For example, you wanna have serial fonts in your website, you just go to another and choose it. You can just filter by categories, languages, and font properties. And for example, I turn in on another fonts, for example, like this. Just select some. After that, I just copy again this piece of code, go to our code editors, change it for it, and create new element. For example, div, and have some text. For example, like this. You see it, and after that, I add this font family for this style and div, and it will be changed. For example, I add the same margin and font size. So It works. Everything's work. It's great. And I wanna show you how to connect icons in your project. For this, you need just to open this tab icons and choose your icons what you want. For example, we just choose setting icons and you see the piece of code of how to use it. For example, you can uh, choose the weight of the your setting, fill, grade, optical size, for example, like this, and we just choose and copy this code. Just press this button and short, insert this code here, and after that, copies this code, and you see the result that it's turning on some icons in your project. And how to change the style? It's easy. You just need to copy this, for example, and paste in your style file. After that, you need to save and see the result. It changed weight, gradient, and fill. If we just move it, it looks like this. And we again, it looks like this. So you can use such approach, but you can just uh, download this MG in SVG or PNG format and just turning on this in your project in style, not in style, in MG format. For example, I just download and open your code editors and put it in our MG folder, and after that you need to go to uh, index.html file, text tag img, and connect it with your mg. Just choose the folder img and your img, text some in alt, and you can see the result. This icon is connecting to your project. It's the first icon. It's our icon that we have in MG. You see. So, in this video I show you how to connect Google Fonts and icons to your project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe, put likes, leave comments. It's help to promote the channel and motivate me to release more video on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Bye.